Don't be afraid of the dark. Mwahaha! Take charge. Despite your electric utility's best efforts, power outages happen, but it's always best to be prepared. Make sure your information is always up to date on LES Powerline, our outage reporting system. In addition to that, make sure you always have an outage kit ready to go with water, food, and extra power. Plan ahead, people! If there's an outage in your neighborhood, call Lincoln Electric System to help. But before reporting your outage, first take a few simple steps. If it's an emergency, call 911. Don't ever mess around with electricity. Make sure it's not just you with the power out. Always check your breaker, check the street lights down the road, and check with your neighbor. If both of you are experiencing a power outage, it's likely worth calling it in. Once you determine it's not just you, contact LES right away, even if your neighbors already have. This will help crews and operators better understand the scope and the possible cause of your outage. Don't open or close your fridge or freezer. You want to save that cool air. Just sit tight, crews are on their way, but you can check out the outage center at les.com. Be sure to stay as far away as you can from down power lines. As you can see, they're pretty dangerous. I saw a phone in the sitting room. Let's call LES Powerline. One 888-365-2412. Hello? Sure, a toy bucket truck makes as much sense as anything else. While crews are working to address the issue, you want to make sure you give them plenty of space and let them work. They already have a dangerous job to do without having someone sneak up behind them. Oh great, we have power again! If you see trucks in your neighborhood but they're not stopping, chances are it's someone out assessing the damage to develop a restoration plan. Speaking of plans, it's always a good idea to have an outage plan. Follow these steps in the future and you'll never have to be afraid of the dark again.